Daily Slow English.
Welcome to our Easy English Listening channel. Today, we will listen to a simple cafe conversation. I will speak very slowly. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story with your friends. Before we start, answer this question. What kind of coffee does Mateo like to drink today? Listen carefully to find the answer. Please write your answer in the comments below. Let's begin.
Oh, I am so tired today.
You look very tired, Mateo. Are you feeling okay right now?
Yes, I am okay, but I really need a short break.
Me too. I need a break.
Do you want to get a nice warm drink?
Yes, that sounds really good right now. What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink?
Hmm, I think I want some coffee.
I really need coffee. I want coffee too. It gives me good energy.
Let us go to a cafe right now. That is a great idea.
Do you know a good cafe?
Yes, there is a nice cafe nearby.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
Ah, it opened last month. I go there for morning coffee.
That sounds perfect. I will get my bag.
Take your time. I am ready when you are.
Okay, I am ready now. Let us go.
Great! I am so excited to get some fresh coffee.
Let us pause here. Did you hear the word tired? Tired means you have no energy. When you are tired, you need a break. A short break will make you feel better.
The weather is very nice today. It is not too cold.
Yes, the fresh air is wonderful.
The new cafe is very close. It is just down this street.
I really like walking outside. Walking is a very good way to relax my mind.
I agree. A little walk makes everything better. Okay, here we are. This is the new cafe, Emily.
Wow, it looks really nice from the outside.
Wait until you see the inside. Let us go in.
Aha! I am very excited to see it. Let's go. Oh, it is even nicer inside. It is very cozy.
Ah, yes, and it smells like fresh coffee.
I love the smell of coffee. It makes me happy.
Oh, look at the chairs. They look very comfortable.
The counter is big. Everything looks so delicious.
Let us look at the menu to order.
There are many drinks. Let me think.
They have coffee, tea, lattes, and cappuccinos here.
What is a latte? I want to know.
A latte is coffee with warm milk.
I see. I like milk. A latte is better.
Do you want a hot or iced drink?
It is warm outside. I want something cold.
So, you want an iced latte?
Yes, an iced latte sounds perfect. What about you? What will you drink?
I want a hot drink. I always drink hot coffee.
Do you want sugar or milk in your coffee?
No, thank you. I like strong black coffee.
We learned two opposites, hot and iced, cold and warm. Black coffee is very strong. It has no milk or sugar inside. Now they will look at the food menu.
Should we look at the food? I am hungry.
Yes, that chocolate cake looks really good.
Oh, it looks very sweet. Do you want it?
Yes, I want the cake. It looks fresh.
That is a good choice. I want a sandwich.
The bread looks so soft and fresh.
Hello. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today, miss?
Hello, I want a medium iced latte, please.
One iced latte. And for you, sir? What will you drink? I would like one hot black coffee, please. Okay. Do you want anything to eat with your coffee today? Yes, one slice of chocolate cake. And I want a big sandwich. Okay. Is that for here or to go, sir?
We will eat it here, please.
Your total is $15. Cash or card?
Wait, Mateo. Let us split the bill. Hmm.
No, it is my treat today.
Are you sure? I have cash.
I am sure. I will use my credit card.
All right.
No problem. Thank you very much, sir. Please insert your card right here. Here is your receipt. What is your name for the order?
Keep the receipt, Mateo.
My name is Mateo. Mateo. Hal. Thank you, sir. We will bring it to your table soon.
Let us review. When you pay for a friend, say, "It is my treat." If you want to share the cost, say, "Let us split the bill." You can pay with paper cash or a plastic credit card. Always remember to take your paper receipt from the cashier. This table by the window is very nice.
Yes. And here is our food and drinks.
I cannot wait to eat. Everything looks wonderful.
I am very hungry too. Let's eat. My coffee is very hot. I must wait. Oh,
Oh, my iced latte is very cold and smooth.
my black coffee is strong and fresh.
Mmm.
Very good.
Try your big sandwich now. Is it good?
Mmm. This sandwich is fresh. The bread is soft.
That is great. Is it very delicious?
Yes, it is very delicious. How is your cake?
It is amazing. It is very sweet and soft.
Oh no, I have some chocolate on my fingers.
Ah, do you need a clean paper napkin?
Yes, please pass me a napkin, Mateo.
Here is a clean napkin for you. Clean your hands.
Thank you very much. I feel better now.
Everything here is very good. This was a great idea.
Yes, I feel much better now. I love cafe time.
It is the best part of the day. But we must go.
Listen to the word delicious. Delicious means food has a very good, sweet taste. When your hands are dirty from food, ask for a napkin, a clean paper napkin. The air feels very nice. I have good energy.
The coffee helped me. I feel awake now.
I am glad we took a break today.
Working all day is hard. We need breaks.
I enjoyed our conversation at the cafe.
Next time, we can try the sweet hot chocolate.
That sounds wonderful. I love hot chocolate.
I can see our office building. We are close.
Our break is officially over. Back to hard work.
Let us finish our emails. We can do this.
See you at your desk, Mateo. Have a great day.
See you inside, Emily. Thank you for walking.
Now, do you remember my question from the beginning? What kind of coffee does Mateo like to drink today? The answer is He likes hot black coffee. No sugar. Did you find the correct answer? Tell me below. If you learned something new, please like this video today. Please subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.